Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. We are halfway through the week. Yes, honey. Today's video is going to be a little bit more fun, a little bit different than my normal unboxing. If you guys have been watching me for a while, first of all, you guys are the best. And second of all, you guys know that I usually do my BoxyCharm unboxing as soon as I get my box, but this month I decided that I wanted to do kind of like a battle of the brand, if you will, and we're going to be comparing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is this one right here, and yes, it is open, versus the BoxyCharm, and we're gonna see which products are best. With that said, we are opening our first box of 2019. If you guys want to do that with me, go ahead and keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe. For the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you can expect to get 5 full-size products personalized for you. Usually it's 120 plus worth of products in every delivery. Introductory price is $25 a month, which is just a little bit higher than BoxyCharm. Now, looking at BoxyCharm, I've had BoxyCharm for 2 or 3 years now. This one is only $21 a month, and this one you get 4 to 5 full-size products, brand name beauty items as well. So now let's jump into the box. Again, this is the January 2019 box. I'm going to pull out the first thing that I see here. On my BoxyCharm, this is what we received. I'm not sure if everybody's getting this Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. On the card here, it says that it's a limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. This one retails for $36, and it's a Tarte product. I personally don't own a lot of Tarte eyeshadows, and to be honest, I've never gravitated towards them. Tarte has very pretty packaging. I cannot even argue with that. Now, taking a look into my Ipsy, we got the Violet Voss Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette, which is this one right here. This retails for $18, which is super affordable. Let's open up the packaging here and take a look inside. So this is going to be a, like it says, a fun size eyeshadow palette. So it's not going to be anything big. It's super cute. I do like that it has 5 mattes. I personally am familiarized with, again, Violet Voss eyeshadows, and I personally like them. Okay, let's move on to the next product. So referencing back to my BoxyCharm, they added this, where's my little card? Oh. This Briogeo, I believe that's how you pronounce it, Rosarco Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. No sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. I'm not into like the whole expensive hair stuff. Just not for me. This is a 2-ounce bottle spray, and I'm definitely going to use it. This one retails for $12. Now, again, is this something that I would buy if I didn't get it in my BoxyCharm? Probably not. Am I going to use it? Yes, because why not? It's here and it's free. Oh, look at that. Okay, so apparently Ipsy decided to do the same thing. So we also got the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Literally, it's the exact same thing. Okay, so this one is a 5-ounce, which is a full-size product, and this one retails for $20. It's not too bad. I am going to use both of these. I mean, it makes me excited that they put in a full-size product because you can actually try it more than 2-3 times with this one. I have a lot of hair, okay? It's long, it's thick, and it's full, so these products don't last me very long. So yeah, I don't know. I guess I'm happy that we got these because now I can really try it out. Now let's go back into the BoxyCharm. We received, ooh, I should have used this today. This is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Just by swatching this on the back of my hand, I can tell you that this is something that I am personally not going to use. It's a light brown. I like my brows to be black because I have black hair. I actually just dyed it yesterday, so it's like freshly black. And when my hair is like super fresh black, I love my brows to be dark. I just feel like it matches my hair. I don't know. I'm going to pass this on to my sister because she's actually been wanting a brow pencil. This one retails for $18. Now, I don't want you guys to think that I'm like being super harsh with BoxyCharm. I love BoxyCharm, and we've gotten some amazing boxes. I don't think this has been the best box that we've gotten in a while, but we definitely have gotten some really good boxes, and you guys know that. So I'm going to put this brow pencil to the side. We're going to move on to the Ipsy side. This is the EYEKO London Black Magic Liquid eyeliner. Now this one retails for $22. Let's open this up. Now I personally love liquid eyeliner, especially the felt tip, but I am quite picky when it comes to my eyeliners. I like my eyeliners to be matte. I like them to last all day long. I don't like them to be shiny. That's just not my thing. But let's open her up. Oh, okay. That is super black and intense. I literally barely touched it. Now, as you can see, it is kind of like running, like feathering all over the place on my hand, which does worry me because I would hate for this to happen on my eyes. Back to BoxyCharm, we got 2 of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks. This nourish your skin from within using the lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. These retail for $24 for a 2-pack, which is quite expensive if you ask me. Back to Ipsy, we got this Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. This one retails for $45. It's a little bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but I personally believe that when a product works and if it's going to make my skin look good, I am willing to invest into the product. So I'm going to use this. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. The very last thing that we have here in our BoxyCharm is this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. These retail for $20. It is a matte liquid lipstick that delivers long lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in the lips. I personally love the Ofra liquid lipsticks. We have gotten so many from BoxyCharm and I'm not mad at that. That retails for $20, which is kind of expensive for a liquid lipstick. Ipsy, here we have a Matte Crush lipstick pencil. I personally never gravitate towards lipsticks like these. It's either a lip liner and a bullet lipstick or a liquid lipstick, or that's it. I don't ever use these, but we're going to swatch it and it's a really pretty color. Now, if you guys know me, these are colors that I never use, like these rosy mauve pinks. They're just not my thing. I don't like them. I stick to nudes. Again, this is not a product that I personally would use, but I know a lot of people love these colors. So now this one is going to retail for $23. Yikes, really? Now we have one last thing from BoxyCharm. This is the Tokyomilk Deep Vanilla Exotic Wood White Orchid and Ebony perfume. Now this one retails for $36. I'm gonna smell it first. Oh, I don't know if I like that. Ooh, it's not something I personally would wear. I can definitely smell that like woodsy, like rustic type of scent, and I personally don't like those. I like either a fresh scent or a floral scent. Some people might like this, but to me, no thanks. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm actually kind of living for this lip with this eye combo. So the Ipsy box was worth $164 and the BoxyCharm, we had a total of $110. I want you guys to be the judges and let me know what box won for the month of January. I was gonna say June. January. I hope you guys enjoyed this battle of the boxes type of video. Again, let me know if you guys do want to keep on seeing them. Thank you for watching and joining. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!